Hello tech people, welcome back to Tech Talkies. In this video, we are going to explore the possibilities of the LED matrix display of the Arduino Uno R4. Let's get started. As you might have noticed, this is not a usual Arduino. This is a copy of the Arduino R4 from Waveshare, but it has some extra header pins. If you want more details about this board, drop a comment. Now, all the R4 boards come with this LED program pre-installed. Don't worry if your board did not come with it, I'll show you how to load it. First, open the Arduino IDE and plug in your Uno. It should automatically install the new board. If it did not happen for some reason, open the board manager and search for Uno R4 and install the board. Now, your Uno R4 should show up in the list here. Select it. Once the Arduino Uno R4 is selected, the relevant examples should show in the File menu. Go to File, Examples, LED Matrix. Here you have all the examples for the built-in LED matrix. The matrix intro is the sketch that comes preloaded on all R4 Wi-Fi boards. Next, let's see how to display a scrolling text on the LED matrix. This example is from the Arduino documentation. I have linked all the code in the description below. Open the scrolling text project, change the text to whatever you want, and upload it. Now, some of you might get this error saying ArduinoGraphics.h, no such file or directory. To fix this, go to Library Manager and search for Arduino Graphics. Install the graphics library. Now the program should compile and upload. And voila! Now that we know how to display simple text, we can actually make a clock, since the R4 has an onboard RTC. Though it is not very accurate, it should work. Now, simply open the clock project and upload it. The clock will start. This project sets the time of the RTC as the time of compilation. So every time you turn it off, it will go back to that time. But the R4 has a pin called VRTC. If you supply about 1.6 to 3.6 volts of current to this pin, the RTC will continue to keep time even if the board is switched off. Alternatively, we can also use the Wi-Fi to get the time from the internet every time the board turns on. Let me know in the comments if we should make a video on that. Next up, we will see how to use the online LED matrix editor to make icons or animations for the display. Open the animation project. Next, open the link in the description. Here, you can draw whatever you want and export it to your project. Let's start with just one frame. Let's draw a simple heart here. Click this button to save the file. Navigate to the animation project folder. Replace the old animation file. And now, upload the code. We have given our Arduino a heart. Next, let's make that heart beat using an animation. Head back over to the Online tool. Here, we can add frames to the animation. Click on the copy icon to make a copy of the current frame. Then I'm going to make the heart a bit smaller. Finally, we can check our animation using this play button. I think that looks good. Let's download the code, upload it to the board. And now we have a heartbeat. And that's how you can display any image or animation on the LED matrix. For the next two projects, we will be needing some extra components. First, let's try the classic snake game. We will need a joystick module to play this game. Connect the power pins. Then connect VRX to A0, VRY to A1 and switch to A2 of the Arduino. Open the Snake Game project and upload the code. The game starts on its own. There is also a menu at the end to play again. If you tried this, comment your scores. Next up, let's try an audio visualizer. For this project, you will need a microphone module with an analog output, like this one. Connect the power and then the analog output to A0 of the Arduino. Upload the code. Play some music to test it. I feel like the possibilities are endless with this board. We can also integrate the Wi-Fi to upgrade the projects, making the text display as wireless display updated from a mobile phone. Clock that updates time from the internet, weather display, and so on. Comment for part 2, and as usual, a subscribe would be amazing.